Right, so now we're under the Blue Moroccan 90. I've got the transfer case in there. That's all done. I had a bit of a trouble with these extended sumps, because down there is I put temporarily a flat original sump on, because on my lifty thing, wherever it's gone, it's right over there, look, you can probably see it just about there. It's at an angle, and I can't bolt it to my lift. So anyway, we've got that done. Another thing we've done on this might of interest, I don't know. We've changed it to a cable operated handbrake mechanism, like on the later cars. So today I've got to make an adapter for this to go to the old bracket that goes up there for the handbrake. That's not a big job. Also, I've put an ATB diff in the back. I've got a video on that, but I haven't got it all put together again. It's sort of got by the by. So anyway, that's that done. I have the exhaust to take off. I'll bring the light down in it. I've got the exhaust to take off, but today I'm going to get this engine running, because I've got to put a water pump on it, because the water pump flange, the pulley had fallen off. So I'm going to put that on, and because my friend Guillaume wants to buy this engine, so I've got to get it running so you can hear it. But we're having just a quick check around underneath to see what's what, and lo and behold, there's a problem. You see there on the bottom of the steering box, there's just two ordinary washers on there. There's no lock washers, no tab washer. That's the early type. That's no good. So I'm going to take that off and replace that nut, replace the lock washer. And after that, it's not too bad. All this under here was nice and tight. Swivel ball's good. Tie rod ends have been replaced. Brake pipes are good. Yeah, it seems to be all right. Yeah, not too bad. I've been having a bit of an issue with this R380 with an oil leak, and I cleaned it all off yesterday with our Superior brake cleaner, and I've noticed here this bung's leaking. So I think what I'll do is I'll drain the oil out, change the oil, and put a new copper washer on there. I think that's its problem. But what I might do is just knock that out whilst I'm doing that nut up there, and let it drain out. Because the nice thing about this job is that at least you can get into it, unlike a 300 TDI with got the cross member right across it, so that's not too bad. Yeah, no, it's not too bad. Well, let's get this engine running, get the water pump changed. Nothing really to film there, there's nothing really important. And then we'll see how we progress. Right, so here we are under the car. I've took the nut off, put a bigger washer on, as you could see that's how it should be. My cat could have taken that nut off before. It's supposed to be 176 Newton meters. Right, here we go, 176. Right, here we go. And that's all she's getting. It's quite tight. How it never fell off before, I don't know. So now we're going to flip over the tab washer here, and also at the back of the nut, the back of the arm here, there's a flat spot. I'll fold them over and then we'll come back and I'll show you. Pair of eagle beaks, or whatever you want to call them, is good for doing this washer, because it is kind of difficult to fold this piece over, make a nice job, and make sure your eagle beaks are all worn out and slippy like these ones are. Now, to finish that off, hopefully we can get a chisel in there, hopefully. Of course my chisel's just a bit too short. There we go. Oh, that's alright. That's not going to go anywhere. So I folded it at the back, up here, You might be able to just see there and folded it at the front. So that's going to be good. Those lock washers are quite thick, really. So let me go now and show you what I found out about the drain bung copper washer for the gearbox. Right, so that was the original washer. I'll turn it to the light and you can see just little parts where it was touching here. Same at the back, look. You can see where it's all black. Hasn't been sealing. That's a proper one. Talking about washers. These were the two washers holding the nut on the steering box. And you can see where they've actually pulled in to the cavity, you know, on the spline, the undercut of the spline. Yeah. It looks like somebody's been trying to tighten them up, but it didn't do anything. Right, next job. I think we'll drop this down and do that water pump.